Good morning, YouTube. Happy Saturday. This is BB. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hope you hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you even more. So today I'm doing an unboxing slash showing you some of the stuff what it can do. And I'm not going to bore you with the box, so I've taken everything out. And it's two of my favorite things, Christmas and Crafter's Companion. So it was last week or the week before, they had a Merry Craftsmas event on HSN, and they always have good deals on their bundles. So what I got was the Crafter's Companion Nativity bundle, and it's part of their Nature's Garden set. So the first thing that it comes with is this 40 paper pad, and it is such high quality paper. So this is just so pretty, and it's double-sided, so you get 3 of each. And this, what I like about this is that it's not just for Christmas. So when you're going through your stash, see if you can use it for another event. Red paper just isn't for Christmas. Red and white striped paper just isn't for Christmas. Polka dot paper just isn't for Christmas. So just look through your stuff. You'd be surprised. Like I said, there's 3 of each. And this one is gold. And the back is just, if you live somewhere with mountains or buttes and you get that beautiful sky, this would be a great layout for night pictures of the stars, or camping, I think, anyway. And then it goes a little bit darker. It has like a pinky maroon. And then this one says Peace on Earth. And then this one is almost, I guess it's supposed to look like the desert or dirt, sand, but to me it kind of looks leathery too. So there's a lot you can do with that paper. And the back of it, let me turn this around, is the 3 wise men heading to Bethlehem. And the next one is stripe with a combination of the other papers. Again, this is not just for Christmas. How fun would that be for a birthday card, a celebration card? It just looks festive to me. And the back of it is these really pretty snowflakes. So then, as you can see, it's kind of a theme. They've got blue. And then look at that. Is that not gorgeous? It's going to be 100 degrees today here in South Florida. I could do for a little chilling. Then, again, we go back to the stripes. So festive, so festive. And then on the back of that one, Peace on Earth, that almost looks like it's drawn on a map. And let me tell you, we could use a little bit of that right now. Then we go into your jewel tones, your purple and blue. And on the back of that one is your wise men traveling with like a yellow sandy background. Isn't that gorgeous? And I love this. To me, this looks like a map. And then you've got the star up here. But if you travel a lot, I think that would be a great background for a scrapbook layout. And then the back of this page again, it's just really different. So you could do a lot with that. Like I said, not just Christmas. Then we have a navy. And then on the back of the navy, again, is that. Then we have a navy. It says, Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Nope. Sorry. Yeah, Hark the Herald Angels Sing and Peace on Earth. And then we have that land one in the navy. So it kind of sticks with the color theme. Let me just see. Yeah, like the jewel tones. And then it comes with these really cool punch outs that you can punch out and just make a card. All of these punch out. And then you have some more punch outs. So that's just the paper pack. Oops, one more. So much you can do with just this paper pack. And I'm going to say, it smells good. I know people think I'm weird for, I love the way Graphic 45 paper smells. And this reminds me of that. So, yay. So, the set also came with so many goodies. So the first thing I'm going to show you, ooh, we're getting a glare, is this big Oh Holy Night die. And you're going to say, oh, they increased the size of the die. No, they did not. That's the size of the die. Look at that. Okay? And I went ahead and cut one out on my Gemini. And what I'm going to, excuse me, say is the Crafter's Companion dies are so intricate and well made that I think you would have a hard time doing them on a Sizzix Big Shot or a Cricut. Okay, so if you can invest in a Gemini or a Gemini Junior or Mini Gemini, do it, because it's such high pressure when it cuts the dies. The next one is called A King is Born. Okay. And it's 2 pieces. Okay. So, and I'll show you why. Okay, that's the die. And then you have this other piece that goes on top of it. Okay. So this is the base piece. And then this is the actual little inlet piece. And I just cut these out of scraps, so I would use up my scraps. But isn't that gorgeous? Think of all the pretty papers you could use in there. This next one is called 3 Kings. And let's do that. There you go. There's the die, and that's how it cut out. Again, you can have a great time. You just don't have to leave it like that. You could cut it multiple times and put different layers of paper to make their robes look different, to make the star look different, to make the stable look different. It also came with, this kit came with a lot. This is a 3D Star of Wonder embossing die. Okay, let's go that way so you can see it. It's not a die, excuse me, it's an embossing folder. And this is super duper thick. This is why I think if you're going to use the Crafter's Companion products, you really need a Gemini, because it really needs that pressure to get a good emboss. And again, I just used a piece of scrap. Let's see, we're having glare issues today. Hopefully you can see that. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do this real quick. Just go over this. Because that's another technique you can do with the embossing folders. There you go. There, now you can see the emboss. Is that not cool? Okay, another die it came with. Christmas Angel. And this one is a little different because it is an embossing folder with a die in it. Is that not cool? And that's how it came out. So I really, really, really like this one. And this one is a combination called A Christmas Scene. And it is what you would call an ornament. They would call a bauble. And it comes with 3 circles and a bow tie. And each one cuts out like that. Okay. Then what you do is you're going to take each piece and you're going to glue it on top of each other. And that's how it's going to come out. Okay. Then you can finish it with the stamps that it came in. So it came with all these stamps. Okay. So you can make cute little tags or cards with that. There was a lot in this kit. Those of you that like to stencil with modeling paste or Tim Holtz inks, is that not cool? So you could do all different like oxide inks or distress inks around here, make your background, and then this will come up, see, like this. They use multicolor inks, left this white, and then put a sentiment here. And it also came with 2 other stamps, and I'm not going to bore you stamping them out. But look at the size of that Believe. Okay? And what I like is the bird, the dove of peace. You can use that for other things. The little stars you can use for other things. And this one is called Peace on Earth. And just let me look on here, see if there's any. Yeah, there's a little star. Again, you could use that. Okay. Joy, Christ is born. These little tiny circles that you could cut out with your hole punch. Just a lot that you can do with this kit. So I think you'd be able to make so many Christmas cards with this. So anyway, that's my Crafter's Companion haul and showing you what it can do. Sorry about that. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, hit like, hit subscribe, and if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. And everybody stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.